Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Bybit. Keeping your email updated is super important for account security, and here's how to get started. First of all, open up your Bybit application or your website and log in using your registered email or mobile number along with your password. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, from your profile page, tap on your name at the top, and this will take you to User Center. Under My Info, tap on Security. Under the Security page, tap on Email. Now, from the pop-up window that appears at the bottom, tap on Change My Registered Email. Go through the information first, and then click on OK. You'll now need to go ahead and tap on Get Code, where you see Send the verification code to your registered email, and wait for the code to arrive via email inbox. Go open up your email inbox and open the email from Bybit, and make sure to copy the code inside it, and then get back to Bybit app and paste it down in the text box. Now, if enabled, you can go to Google Authenticator app, open it up from your device, copy the Bybit code that is generated by tapping on it, get back to Bybit and paste in the code. Finally, click on Confirm and then enter your new email address on the next field. After typing it down, click on Get Code. Now open up your new email inbox and open the email from Bybit, copy the security code, get back to Bybit app and enter the verification code in the next field. Finally, click OK, and there you have successfully changed your email address. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the newly updated email address in the email tab. Make sure to type in your password correct as well, and click on Login Now. And there you have successfully logged in with your new email as well. That's how easy it is to change your email on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you never miss future updates from us. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.